If Blender is crashing, freezing, or acting strangely, the first thing you should do is check the error log. In this video, I'll show you how to open the Blender system console, find the log files, read the most important error messages, and use that information to fix the problem faster. This is one of the best habits you can build when troubleshooting Blender, because the log often tells you exactly what went wrong instead of guessing for hours. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Blender tips and software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Blender and go to the top menu. Click Window, then choose Toggle System Console. On Windows, this opens a console window that shows real-time messages, warnings, and errors while Blender is running. If Blender is launching from a terminal or command prompt, you can also start it that way and watch the printed error messages directly. This is useful because some problems only appear in the console when the software is loading, rendering, or trying to open a file. Once the console is open, look for red text, warning messages, or repeated errors. These lines can give you clues about what Blender is struggling with. For example, you might see missing file paths, add-on issues, memory warnings, or GPU-related messages. Don't ignore these details because they usually point to the exact source of the problem. Next, locate the log files on your computer. On Windows, a common place to check is the temp folder. You can type %temp% in File Explorer and press Enter to open it. Inside that folder, look for Blender crash reports, temporary logs, or files created around the time the issue happened. If Blender closed unexpectedly, the most recent files are usually the most relevant. Open them and look for the most recent error entries. Now let's focus on what to read. The most important things to look for are the error type, any missing files, and any memory warnings. The error type tells you whether the issue is coming from a missing asset, a damaged file, a script problem, or a hardware-related issue. Missing files often show up when textures, models, or linked assets cannot be found. Memory warnings usually mean the scene is too heavy for your system, especially with high-resolution textures, dense geometry, or large simulations. There are a few common causes that show up again and again in Blender logs. Missing textures are very common, especially if a project was moved to another computer or folder. Out-of-memory errors often happen when the scene is too complex for your RAM or GPU. Broken modifiers can also cause problems if a modifier stack is failing during preview or render, and GPU driver issues can cause crashes, black screens, or rendering failures, especially when the graphics driver is outdated or unstable. Once you understand the log message, fix the issue based on what it says. If it mentions missing assets, reload the missing files or reconnect the paths. If it points to memory problems, reduce scene complexity by lowering texture sizes, simplifying geometry, or disabling heavy simulation elements. If a modifier is causing errors, try disabling it one by one to find the problem. If the log points to your graphics card or driver, update your GPU driver and test Blender again. The key point is this: logs show the exact failure cause much more clearly than guessing ever will. Instead of randomly changing settings, always check the error log first. That one habit can save a huge amount of time and help you solve Blender problems much faster. So to recap, open the system console, check the temp folder for crash or log files, read the error type and warnings, identify the common cause, and then fix the issue based on the message. That is the fastest way to troubleshoot Blender with confidence. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more Blender tutorials, and leave a comment if you want a guide on reading specific Blender crash messages or fixing render errors next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.